This video will be an introduction to noise removal in Final Cut Pro and Audacity. So here we have a clip shot by Chris for his tutorial. We're going to click and drag it onto the timeline in Final Cut Pro. We're going to right click that clip, select Detach Audio. That'll separate the video and audio file, and we can manipulate the audio as we please. And within that audio you can amplify or lower the volume or the amplitude of the audio within Final Cut Pro if you would like. From here, we will select the clip again up in the clips window and select Reveal in Finder. This will show us the original .mov movie file. At this point, once we've located the clip, we will open up Audacity, which you can find in the desktop bar. Once Audacity is open, you want to click and drag the original movie clip from Finder into Audacity. So we'll click and drag that clip62.mov file onto the Audacity working space. You can see in the Audacity file here, this is an audio waveform, you can see the blue represents the audio, and the taller the signal, the louder it is. And if we zoom in on the signal, we see these spaces where Chris is not actually talking in his video, but there's this ambient noise that produces this very low amplitude ambient noise, and I'll select and kind of show what I'm talking about here. So this would be an example of noise you do not want. So once you've selected a period of about 3 seconds of this noise, go to Effect in the top bar, select Noise Reduction, and there's 2 steps. There's step 1, which is get the noise profile. We will click. You only do this after you've already selected that 3 seconds of noise. Once you've done that, go up to Edit, select All to get all the audio, go back to Effect, Noise Reduction, and step 2 allows you to actually remove the noise from the rest of the audio. And there are some settings you can play with, which includes the amplitude and sensitivity of noise reduction. Click OK. It'll take a few seconds for the program to apply the noise reduction to the rest of the audio. And after the noise reduction effect is applied, you will see that the ambient background noise in those spaces between where Chris is talking, like I just selected, is gone. It's flat. But the remaining signal, which is Chris's voice, which is what we really want, has stayed the same. After we have applied the noise effect, we want to go to File, Export Audio, and I usually save on the desktop just to make it easy. And I'll just use the same clip name but add noise reduction to the title. Save it to the desktop and select WAV or WAV Microsoft file. And I click Save, and it will export the audio. Click OK. It will export the audio in a format we can import into Final Cut Pro. So now we minimize Audacity. We right-click that audio clip in Final Cut Pro and click Disable. This will disable the original audio with the noise in it. We want to import media, so go to File, Import Media, go to Desktop, select that clip you just exported from Audacity and import. It should now appear in your Clips window in Final Cut Pro, and you just click and drag that right below your video file. So now if we play this, it will sound, as far as the timeline goes, it'll sound exactly the same as the original audio, but just with substantial noise reduction.
All right.
And we can compare the 2 clips by enabling and disabling the original and vice versa. So if we right-click and we re-enable the original audio, disable the noise-reduced audio, and we click play, even though the amplitude is no different, you can hear the background noise in the original audio pretty loudly.
All right.
If we pause that